Hey Ford, I had a quick question before y'all get bought out by Elon. So I got this 2017 F-250 that whenever I get in the morning and it's cold outside, the dash doesn't turn on, the radio doesn't turn on. Right now I'm cruising. I have no speed. I don't know where my gas is. My blinkers do work, although I can't see the indicators from the inside of the cab. Windshield wipers work. So the truck is functioning, although I can't see some, crucial information. Also, I can't listen to the radio either. So this whole central dash is off until the engine decides to warm up, and the dash, joins me whenever it so chooses. So I took it to the Ford dealership. They couldn't recreate it because it had already warmed up by the time I got there. So they sent me on my merry way. But if y'all could help me out in any way, shape, or form, I would appreciate it.